to my channel. It's been about 2 months since I posted. I stepped away for a bit because life was happening, but I'm grateful to be back and feeling good again. I also want to say a very big thank you to those of you who reached out to me. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. I love you all. Yeah, so how you all doing? Hope you're fine, hope you're good. Yeah, today is Tuesday. Yeah, today is Tuesday. Happy new week. Let's get the day started. Stick around, don't go anywhere. Let's enjoy the day together. Thank you. Good morning. It's a new day and I have a lot to do today, but I don't feel like doing anything. God help me. God help me. Hey guys, I have some errands to run. Yeah, so I'm putting on this sweater. The weather is a bit cold, and yeah, let me show you guys my full outfit. So I'm putting on this, but I'm going to change it. Let's go. I'm taking you guys along. Guys, my hair, I don't want to wear wig. Yeah, my hair is not bad, Abby. My hair is not bad, and I'm not looking for guys, I wanted to say I'm not looking for a husband, but I think, I don't know. Don't know. Let's go, guys. How much is it? I'm back and I want to make spaghetti spaghetti. So I want to make pasta. butter and beef sauce. Yeah, let's make some spaghetti. I'm serious now. I put some peas for soup. Yeah, I want to also make ogbono soup. Yeah, so I got fresh tomatoes. Literally for the soup. Oh my god, for beef. Yeah, intestine. Ugu leaf, uzuza leaf. Yeah, ogbono, grounded ogbono. Cow skin. What is this one? Some pepper, mixed pepper. Yeah. Good onion. Jesus. Stockfish. Why am I seeing just one crayfish? What is going on? I don't understand. If you didn't put, I would think I need to call her because I want crayfish 1000. So why am I seeing just one crayfish here? Smells so good. Love it.